Hi, my name is Jill Letten. For much of my life, I have been aware of the rising concerns over environmental degradation, living in a city with a highly prominent industrial sector that has had devastating effects on the local air, land, and water. Having grown up in a place with such visible pollution problematically allowed it to become normalized, people adapting and turning a blind eye. In my artwork, I reflect upon my understanding of rising concerns of climate change and global warming, using my practice to combine art with research to address how we interact and perceive the natural world. I digitally collage dimensionally and texturally contrasting imagery to create surreal environmental spaces that I translate into medium-scale paintings. These spaces I create start with a digitally deconstructed dollhouse from SketchUp, serving as a grounding base to further manipulate in Photoshop to place digitized archival imagery from the 1950s, as I associate that time as a period of ignorance or naivety to the environmental effects of human activities, as well as serving as a comment on the lasting effects of the second and third industrial revolutions, which introduced mass production of consumer goods and lifestyles attuned to extravagance, an unrealistically idealized period that significantly contributed to how our global society has socially and systematically embraced capitalistic and mass consumerist values that have dominated the natural environment. These digital collages serve as a sketch to reference from when translating the image using acrylic paint on a wood panel to further solidify the composition. The distortion and dismantlement of space for me serves as an observation to the feelings of separation and isolation that can come with confronting the fears of the reality of global warming, kind of symbolic to the instability and toxic nature of our capitalistic systems that use finite things as if they are infinite. And in this way, I am navigating the ways that art can be used to encourage better accessibility and engagement to topics of climate change in an expressive and creative way.